Google launches SEO Made Easy YouTube series. Welcome to an exciting announcement from Google. In this script, we'll introduce you to Google's latest endeavor, the launch of their SEO Made Easy YouTube series. Get ready for practical tips and insights to optimize your website for improved search engine performance. SEO Made Easy. Google has just unveiled a brand new YouTube series titled SEO Made Easy. This series is a treasure trove of valuable information aimed at both beginners and experienced website owners looking to enhance their online presence. Customizing site names. The inaugural episode, hosted by Martin Splitt from Google's Search Relations team, kicks off the series by delving into a crucial aspect of SEO, customizing site names in Google's search results. Overview by Martin Splitt. Martin Splitt provides an insightful overview of what to expect from this series. He emphasizes that the content is designed to be accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned website owner. Simplifying SEO. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, staying updated is crucial. SEO Made Easy aims to simplify this complex field by offering actionable video lessons that can help websites thrive in Google's search results. Structured data. Let's dive into the premiere episode. It focuses on the significance of structured data for optimizing your website. Structured data is a fundamental SEO element, and Splitt is here to guide you through it. Customizing site names with structured data. Martin Splitt begins by elucidating the core SEO concept in this episode, using structured data to customize site names. If Google struggles to determine your website's preferred name automatically, structured data can be your solution. Practical tips. For those who might be new to structured data, Splitt offers practical tips. He suggests ensuring that your site name consistently appears in the title of all pages. This step can be crucial for optimizing your site's visibility. Google Search Console. Once you've made these changes, it's time to let Google process the updates. Splitt recommends using Google Search Console to speed up the indexing process. You can even request the homepage to be re-indexed for quicker results. More to come, but that's just the beginning. The SEO Made Easy series is just the start of Google's commitment to provide educational content for webmasters and digital marketers. There are more exciting episodes on the horizon, promising a deep dive into SEO strategies. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of SEO with Google's SEO Made Easy YouTube series. Stay tuned for more insights and practical tips to help your website shine in Google search.